Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to make your video shorter in the CapCut apps. So for example, basically it's super simple. So there are two options to make your video shorter. So for the first way, you are just going to click your video and just press and hold this part, and just swipe to left to make it shorter. So as you can see, the video has been short. Okay, so for the second way, you are just going to use the split option. Just click split and select which part that you want to split, and you can delete the unused clip. So just click delete and delete. So that's how you can make your video shorter. Yes, so basically what I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.